Hey, how's it going? This is Maz and I wanted to create this video and show you how product NextDocs works. So let's just jump into it. Created a new document and you've got the document here on the left and you've got the chat and the AI on the right. If you want to create a document, simply you can just ask it here. For example, I'm going to say create a non-disclosure agreement between NextDocs and Acme company. So I'm using Gemini here because Gemini is really good at generating long content. So you also have here the font. You can change the font as you wish. For example, I like Laura, looks pretty good. So you've got the document generated already. Let's say in the terms and termination, I want to change the year. So one of the features we have is that you would be able to select a specific section, for example here, and you would be able to prompt it. So you can say, change the duration to 2 years. Then the AI will only update that section. Benefits is that you don't rewrite the whole document because let's say you're already happy with the rest of the document, and it's just a lot better to just focus on a specific section. Obviously, you can do it manually if the AI doesn't get it right. If not, you can just redo it. So I can do formatting prompts here as well. For example, I can say left align all of the headings. Let's see how this does. So as you can see now, all of the headings kind of went to the left, and this looks pretty good to me. Another feature we have is that here, instead of actually having those dots, you can have a signature. So these are really the different types of elements that you can add to your document or template. We've got images, we've got tables, and I'll show you how they work as well. So for the signature, you would be able to just click on it and sign it. You would be able to put your name down and then a date and share this with another person via this button, which they would be able to then sign as well. That's pretty good. Let's try a new one. So I created a new document and I want to upload an image. This image is about Sydney housing. What I want to do is that I want to prompt it. I want to say, add this image to the document, analyze it, and write a report about it. Let's just try that. So basically the AI will first add the image to the document and then also analyze it. It understands what it is talking about and it creates a little document for you. This looks pretty good to me. I can bring more graphs and so on. I can just keep iterating on my document. Again, if you want, here you can prompt a specific section. So if I, for example, say, expand a bit more on the market implications section, this will only focus on that individual section. So yeah, it added more details in there. Obviously, these are just fluffy prompts that I'm giving it, but I guess in a real world scenario, you're gonna go between the AI and the document itself. Another very obvious use case is where you have a template. For example, here we have a bunch of templates, but then you can create your own templates as well. So you'd start with a template. In this case, this is a resume, and then you can upload your resume. For example, in this case, I'm uploading this sample resume in there, and I'm going to prompt it, make a resume for me tailored to a data science job. So as you can see, it will put my detail into the document, but it also listens to the prompt that I give it. So yeah, that's how the product works. I'm super excited to hear what you want to create with it. Please feel free to reach out to me and send us any feedback you might have. Cheers.